Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're a fan of audio spectrums, this lesson gonna be yours. Okay, first of all, we are going to import our audio. Just double click on the project panel, bring up the music that you want. I'm going to use Ocean View from Patrick because it has free license and we are not going to have claim on YouTube. After that, we need to create a composition. We have 4 ways to create a composition. First of all, we can go to composition panel and go to new composition, or simply click Ctrl N, bring up composition setting to create your own composition, or click right here and create a new composition like before. And the last one, when you have a photo on your project panel, you can simply drag and drop your photo to the composition and create a composition exactly the size of the photo. Okay, let's go. First of all, I should create a composition. It would be audio spectrum. I'm going to use 1920 by 1080. The frame would be 24. The duration is 3 minutes. And there we go. Our composition is ready to use. Drag and drop the music to the audio spectrum composition. Make sure you're gonna right click on it and pre-compose the audio. Then hit OK. The next step, we need our audio reactor. Right click in the timeline, go to new and create a solid. Call it audio reactor. Just hit OK. Go to effects and presets, search for audio. You can see audio spectrum and audio waveform. Drag and drop audio spectrum to the solid. Make sure you are going to adjust this details here. We need to create our audio spectrum. The start point would be 0 because I want to start the audio spectrum exactly from the left side of the composition, and the endpoint would be 1920 slash, we're gonna divide it by 2. Nice. After that, the audio layer would be our audio because we pre-composed the audio here, the music, and sub frequency would be 20, and the frequency would be 300, and the frequency band I'm going to set it to around 500. Maximum height would be 1000, and softness is 0, thickness would be 5. It depends on your mind. I'm gonna set it to 5. Let's see what do we have here. Okay, nice. Let's go to display option, set analog lines, and it would be on the B side. Okay, just minimize the audio spectrum here. Go to effects and presets panel, search for polar coordinates, drag and drop below the audio spectrum. Change the type of conversion to rect to polar, and there we go. As you can see, we create half of the audio spectrum. So let's go and search for mirror, drag and drop right below the polar coordinate. Let's set 960 here because we want to fill the second half minimize all of them, go to effects and presets, search for color gradients. It would be red, and this one red as well. I'm gonna change it to orange. It depends on your mind. You can do whatever you want. Make sure you are set the jitter to 100. Perfect. If you want to add more audio, you can search for echo, drag and drop right below the for color coordinate. You can set it to 2. As you can see, you can have more echo. If you hold down control, you can move the echo time little by little. You can check it which one you prefer, but I'm not a fan of echo. It depends on your mind. Go to audio spectrum. Make sure you are going to tick the blend overlapping. Minimize them all. Go to effects and presets, search for glow, drag and drop right below all the layers, and glow threshold would be 50, and just duplicate the glow radius would be 300 for me, and this one would be 50. Yeah, the first one is threshold 50 and glow radius is 50%, glow intensity is 1, and the second glow is 50, 300 and 1. Let's put it to 0.5. Okay, we need our particles. Minimize the audio reactor layer, right click here, go to new and create another solid, set it for star. Make sure you are going to put it to white and hit OK. Go to effects and presets, search for CC star, drag and drop to the project panel. The speed would be -1, and size would be 20, and the grid would be 25. It depends on your mind. 10 would be nice for me. Go to effects and presets, search for CC radial fast blur, drag and drop. Oh, nice. Search for glow, drag and drop glow, and it's pretty nice on me. I really like it. Minimize them all. Go and search for fill, drag and drop under the glow. It would be orangish. We have too much stars. Let's. Oh my god, it's too many. Yeah, set it to 250. Okay, we need our background. Right click, go to new and create another solid. Set it to background. It would be black, brown, black. Just put it under the audio reactor. Go to effects and presets, search for color, drag and drop to the background. I'm trying to use this color in the project panel. You can adjust this anchor points. No. Okay, make sure you are set the jitter to 100. If you want to add text under the audio reactor, you can simply click on the T and try to write down audio reactor or whatever you want. Click on it, go to paragraph, make sure you are set to the center text. Simply hold down Ctrl Alt Home, set the anchor point in the center, Ctrl Home, bring it up to the center. You can hold down Shift and move it a little bit down here. If you want to animate the audio reactor, you can open up the property, go to animate and add a position. In animator 1, add a property would be opacity. The position would be for about 50, opacity is 0. Go to range selector, go to advanced, ease high would be 25 and ease low 25 as well. It should be ramp up. Make sure you're gonna set 100, 0, 100, add a keyframe on it, and it would be minus 100. Select them all, F9, ease them, go to graph editor and adjust graph editor. You can change the stuff here and find a better design for your audio spectrum. If you hold Ctrl Shift H, you will hide all the stuff, all the toggle mask and shape path visibility. Can you see that? Ctrl Shift H. You can have a better or clear screen. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I would be extremely happy. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.